everyone, it's Marcus here from the KENWOOD Trading Team, and in today's video, we'll show you how to Wi-Fi connect your STZ-RF200WD to your smartphone so you can download content and make adjustments on the system setup. So let's get into it. The first thing we need to do is make sure that the STZ-RF200WD is turned on, indicated here by the blue light on the control switch. Then we want to download the app. But first, I'm going to start a screen record so you can see exactly what I see while doing this process. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and download the app. We're going to search for the KENWOOD Motorsports Camera app here at the top, and then we're going to download it after we've selected the icon. So let's go ahead and install. Now this takes a few minutes, of course, depending on your connection. Now that you have the app installed, you want to open the app, allow access to your photos, media files all on your device, and press the I agree. So the first thing we need to do to establish the Wi-Fi connection to the dashcam system from the smartphone is go to our settings. And as you see, it says turn the device recorder on. So the blue light indicates that the dashcam system is already turned on. So now we need to move to step 2. We need to press and hold this button for 3 seconds. I press and hold until the light flashes. Now you see the blue light flashing, that indicates it's ready to make a Wi-Fi connection. So let's open up our Wi-Fi menu by pulling down from the top, pressing and holding our Wi-Fi icon, and as soon as the STZ-RF200WD pops up, we want to select it and allow the connection to complete. Now it's important to note, at this point in the setup, if it's your first time connecting the motorsport camera system to your smartphone, you're going to enter a passcode when connecting. As you see here, it's asking for our passcode. So we're going to enter 1234, 1234, and then press connect. And this will only be required when you initialize the first setup or if you reset your device and uninstall the application. Now it's important to note that the Wi-Fi connection does not offer internet connection. It is simply there to connect the camera system to the phone and offer you fast connection speeds, as well as allow you to access the menus to make adjustments. So let's press the final button, connect, down here at the bottom. We can do this later. Now we have access to all our settings, and if we go back, we can even adjust the image displayed on the cameras. And there you have it. That's all it takes to set up the connection to the STZ-RF200WD. And to get out of the connection settings, we want to press and hold the button to go back to a normal running mode.
KENWOOD.